Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2334th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, I'll be quick with you. This video is for trading on 11/4/2021. That's Thursday. Please remember the risks involved in this game. You can be walloped if you trade without stops. Know that. Certainly don't trade futures or options without stops. Put your stops in first. Traders, what are we looking at? The Russell 2000. Well above the double top now, right? So no problem there. Has soared above the double top. Look at how the 50 bar and 200 bar moving averages are curling up. That's a beautiful thing to see how they've come together practically, and now they're moving up together. And cousin Jerome Powell, he gave us the green light today because he said basically there's no interest rate rises in the foreseeable future. And do you know what that means? That means the party continues because the music will not stop yet. When the music stops and the party's over on Wall Street, that means we're raising interest rates. That usually stops the party and the music stops. When you lower interest rates, the party starts. When you keep them low, the party continues on. So, according to Jerome Powell, for now, we've got the green light on Wall Street to continue with the upside. And look at the response from the Russell 2000. Just an explosion out of two things. One, of course, above the double top. And ever since it got above this right here, it seems to have really exploded. Once it got above this huge wedge that was building, if you will, huge pennant, it broke out above the pennant, broke out above the double top. News from Powell helps it, and it just explodes. So that's your Russell, and we've got a green OMNI for trading on Thursday, and we will be buying the dips at livewithoscar.com. But let's look at another chart here. I say this one is pretty telltale on its own as well. Watch this guy. This is your Nasdaq. Now, Nasdaq has gotten well above the double top, but look at how it's propelling itself inside of this channel. It's an abstract channel. We can get a little tighter for day trading, but to see which way this is going, it is just exploding inside of this channel. And it looks like it will continue in this channel, maybe running up and down, but this is our path. And we've got fourth quarter coming up. And you know, every holiday, you know, Christmas, Kwanzaa, New Year's, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, you name it, we're celebrating throughout the entire planet the holidays from Thanksgiving in the U.S. forward. Major holidays, kids are back in school, lots of purchases are going to take place. Fourth quarter should be fantastic, and the charts are showing it. Now, we've got an OMNI projection in E-mini S&P, the second year-end projection for OMNI this year, because we already hit the first one, is 5,400 E-mini S&P, and according to what we're seeing here and the green light from Jerome Powell, we're probably going to get there. So traders, we do have a green OMNI for trading Nasdaq, E-mini S&P, or Russell. We'll trade either or if we can be filled on the upside buying dips. And don't forget, put your stops in first. Join me at livewithoscar.com. And if you wouldn't mind, please share these videos, like them, share them around the internet. It helps with the Google algorithms. It gets the videos out there further, and I can help more people out there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Good luck trading on Thursday. Join me in my live trading room if you'd like. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.